Yanglei received her PhD degree in materials physics and chemistry from Beijing University in 2016. She is currently an associate professor in the College of Materials Science and Technology at Beijing Forestry University. She focused on the development of macro and nanochannel of the wood fiber membrane applied in the energy materials of ion transport, including osmotic energy harvest and cell separators, and clarifies the synergistic effect of the geometrical configuration of the macro and nanochannels, asymmetric structure, confinement effect, and the properties of the surfaces. Interface, surface free energy, surface charge quantity, and electrical properties on the ion transport process, which provide the basic research for the wood fiber ion channels. She has proposed a research structure of the gas responsive intelligent nanofluidic diode specifies the intelligent control mechanism of the gas responsive nanochannel of the ion transport process. The nanocellulose nanofluidic device and cellulose separators developed provides new series and technical solutions for the commercial and transport membrane materials, which is essential for the development of the new biomass materials. Related research published a total of 35 papers, published 18 papers indexed by SCI as the first author and responsible author in Chemical Engineering Journal, Nanoenergy, Small Energy Conversion and Management, Advanced Materials, MPG Asian Materials. In 2016, she published a paper in Advanced Materials, olfactory sensory urine-mimetic carbon dioxide activated nanofluidate diode with faster response rate. Inspired by the carbon dioxide activated ion channels in nature, building OSN's mimetic carbon dioxide activated ion channels in water is extremely important, as carbon dioxide is a benign agent and easily removed. Biomimetic ion channels with carbon dioxide as trigger has potential applications such as biosensors and actuators. Right now, the artificial ion channels that respond to the external stimuli, such as ions, pH, light, temperature, and mechanical strength, have been extensively studied by introducing specific groups onto the surface of the conically shaped nanochannels. As we know, histine is an essential amide acid with an imide azo group in the humans and other mammals. Amide azo group has peak A of around 6, making histine the only one in proteins to be pH dependent in psychological conditions. A slight acid pH can make amide azo protonate, while a neutral pH can make amide azo deprotated. The protation and the deprotation process of amide azo has been utilized in cells in the form of a protein shuttle. Considered the nature of carbon dioxide, amide azo group is particularly suitable for the carbon dioxide sensitive molecular switches. Herein, we grafted amide azo conditioning polymers from the surface of the conically shaped nanochannels. OSN's mimetic carbon dioxide activated nanofluidic diode was realized, which exhibit high eye rectification ratio, high eye gating ratio, and fast responsive rate. In 2021, she published a paper in Nano Energy, TMPO oxidized cellulose nanofibers based heterogeneous membrane employed for concentration gradient driven energy harvesting. In this work, we design a nanofluidic device that can harvest osmotic energy and rectifying ionic transport by the directly prepared with the nanopore diosynth membrane and chemical variable channel properties polyester terephthalate silicate substrate membrane. The diosynth nanochannels membrane with abundant carboxylic groups and hydroxy groups dominate the I transport properties. Well, the used PET membrane provides a chemical nanochannel substrate which forms a symmetrical nanofluidic diode. By integrating with the since nanochannels membrane and features geometry and surface charge polarity, the large number of surface negative charges in the diosynth are formed on the interface of membrane, which contribute to the ultra-high ionic rectification and notably ionic selectivity. Afterwards, this ionic selectivity nanofluidic diode with a symmetrical bipolar structure are introduced into a concentration gradient-driven energy harvesting device, which contribute for the dissolving traditional reverse electrodialysis and increasing output pore density. The several behavioral advantages of this membrane is observed. First, what counts as the fluoride diosynth heterogeneous membranes can be easily fabricated with environmentally friendly characteristic. Second is pore density reaches a maximum value of the 0.96 watt per square meter by using artificial simulation for generation of seawater and water rainwater. And third, the pressive rectification ratio of 562 of the diosynth and the PETs is 71 times more than one of the PET because surface charge governed ion transport behavior. At basic condition, such a nanofluidic device can trigger further energy harvesting device, which construct of diosynth and PET heterogeneous membrane. This commercial potential application of this membrane is vital to the efficient and reliable energy supply nowadays.